the Leica Q2, a masterpiece of engineering and design, a camera that stands at the pinnacle of modern photography. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or a passionate enthusiast, the Leica Q2 offers an unmatched experience, combining the finest craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. In today's video, we're diving deep into what makes the Leica Q2 one of the most sought-after cameras in the world. From its stunning image quality to its sleek, compact design, this camera isn't just a tool, it's an extension of your creativity. At first glance, the Leica Q2 looks like a work of art. The body, crafted from magnesium alloy, feels solid yet lightweight in the hand. Every detail, from the precision dials to the smooth leather grip, speaks of luxury and durability. But the beauty of the Q2 isn't just skin deep. Inside this elegant body lies a full-frame 47.3 megapixel sensor designed to capture the finest details with razor-sharp clarity. Whether you're shooting in broad daylight or low light, the Q2 delivers stunning results with its wide ISO range from 50 to 50,000. One of the standout features of the Q2 is its fixed 28mm Summilux lens. With an aperture of f1.7, it offers incredible depth of field control, perfect for portrait shots with creamy bokeh or landscape photography where every detail pops. The lens, paired with the camera's advanced autofocus system, ensures your subject is always in focus, no matter how fast the action unfolds. Low-light performance is another area where the Leica Q2 shines. Thanks to its large sensor and fast lens, the Q2 captures vibrant and detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. This makes it the perfect companion for night photography, indoor shoots, and those golden hour moments. And speaking of screens, the Q2 features a crystal-clear 3.68 megapixel OLED viewfinder, offering a bright, high-resolution preview of your shots. It's like seeing your final image even before you press the shutter. But the magic of the Q2 doesn't stop at still photography. With 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, the Q2 is also a powerful tool for videographers. Whether you're capturing cinematic landscapes or documenting fast-paced city life, the Q2's video capabilities are just as impressive as its photography. The rich colors and dynamic range ensure that your videos are just as breathtaking as your photos, with minimal noise and exceptional sharpness. And for the photographer who's always on the go, the Q2's compact design and weather-sealed body make it a robust companion in any environment. Whether you're exploring a bustling city, trekking through a rainforest, or capturing the beauty of the mountains. This camera is built to withstand the elements, ensuring you never miss the perfect shot, no matter the conditions. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, sharing your images is as seamless as taking them. The Leica Photos app allows you to instantly transfer, edit, and share your photos on the go. The Leica Q2 isn't just a camera, it's a statement. A blend of tradition and innovation, it gives photographers the tools they need to push their creative boundaries. Whether you're capturing the world as you see it or exploring new perspectives, the Q2 is there to elevate every shot. Thank you for watching. If you're as inspired by the Leica Q2 as we are, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments what you'd capture with this incredible camera. Until next time, happy shooting.